Next, percentages. Percentages are very important in our day-to-day life. Actually, percent means for every 100, a value taken for every 100. This is the symbol for percentage. Next, where do we use percentages? Percentages are used at many places in our daily routine, like student score comparison, salary and expenditure related calculations, population growth and comparison, etc. Next, we'll talk about some important percentage values. Let us begin with the 10% value. For that, consider a number 424. 10% of 424 is 42.4. It is very simple. For any number, 10% value is obtained by placing the decimal point before its units place. Next, 1% of a number. Again, consider 424, and 1% of 424 is 4.24. It is also very simple. For any number, 1% value is obtained by placing the decimal point before its tens place. Next, let us look into 50%, 5% and 0.5% calculations. You know, 50% of any number is half of its value, right? So 50% of 424 is equal to 424 divided by 2, and its value is 212. Next, 5% of 424 is obtained by placing a decimal point before the units place in 212. So here that value is 21.2. Likewise, 0.5% of 424 is obtained by placing the decimal point before the tens place, and here that value is 2.12. Let us look into some more standard percentage calculations. As you know, 25% of any number is 1/4 of the value. For a given number 424, 25% is 424 divided by 4. That value is 106. Next, 75%. 75% of any number is 3/4 of that value. So here it is 3 by 4 times 424. That value is 318. Next, 12.5% of any number is 1/8 of that value, and here 12.5% of 424 is 424 over 8. That value is 53. Another important percentage that we often use is 33.33%, which is 1/3 of the given number. Here in this example, 33.33% of 424 is 141.33.